Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade your videos using LUTs in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video for instance. Make sure you've downloaded your LUT. Once you download it, just go to adjustments, go to LUTs and select import and select the folder that has your LUT in it. I've already imported mine. Mine is a Q file. So to add it, you can either just press the plus button here, or you can even select just the video, go to adjustments, go to LUTs and kind of like scroll around and see which one you like. I kind of like this dark and somber one. You can adjust the strength here, and you can also go to adjustments and add in some more stuff. Maybe you want to make it a little bit greener, adjust the brightness a little, the contrast maybe, some clarity. I don't know, it's up to you what you want to add to your video. And that's how you can color grade using LUTs in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!